Stop struggling and start crushing it, because today, I'm unlocking the secrets to skyrocketing your crown count in Royal Match. First, master the art of efficient play. Focus on clearing objectives with as few moves as possible because leftover moves convert into bonus rewards and, most importantly, more crowns. Plan your moves strategically. Look for opportunities to create power-ups like rockets, bombs, and disco balls, which clear large areas and rack up bonus points. Second, become an event enthusiast. Royal Match is packed with events like team battles, Royal League, and Sky Race. These events are a goldmine for crowns. Actively participate and complete the event objectives to earn bonus crowns and other valuable rewards. Keep an eye out for special weekend events, which often offer increased crown rewards. Thirdly, manage your resources wisely. Save your boosters for particularly challenging levels. Don't waste them on levels you can beat without assistance. Use your gold coins to buy extra moves if you're close to beating a difficult level, as the crown reward outweighs the coin cost. Also, take advantage of the unlimited lives offered in some events to grind through levels and accumulate crowns quickly. Fourth, consider the Royal Pass. If you're serious about maximizing your crown gain, the Royal Pass offers a plethora of rewards, including a significant number of crowns as you progress through the tiers. Completing daily and weekly tasks will help you advance faster and reap those crown-filled rewards. Finally, consistently play and progress through the levels. The more levels you complete, the more crowns you earn. Focus on clearing levels sequentially to maximize your overall crown accumulation. Don't get discouraged by difficult levels. Use the strategies we discussed, and you'll be swimming in crowns in no time. So implement these strategies, stay consistent, and watch your crown count soar in Royal Match. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Royal Match tips and tricks. Happy gaming!